In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Harmony One network to your MetaMask wallet and guide you on how to use it effectively for earnings. So, let's dive right in and get you set up for success in the world of decentralized finance. First things first, you'll need to open your MetaMask extension. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's always good to ensure that your MetaMask is up and running and, of course, properly unlocked. You're probably familiar with the MetaMask icon nestled in your browser toolbar, so go ahead and give that a click to bring up your wallet. Next, we're going to add a new network to your MetaMask. To do that, look towards the top of the MetaMask window and click on the network drop-down. This is usually located right above your account balance. Once that drop-down is open, you'll see an option that says Add Network. Click on it, and we'll start entering the details necessary to connect to the Harmony One network. Now, here's where we input the specific settings for Harmony. Begin by adding the network name, which should be Harmony Mainnet Shard Zigio. This will help you easily identify it later. In the field labeled New RPC URL, type in the following: https://api.harmony.1. For the chain ID, enter 100. This is crucial because it ensures you're connecting to the correct network. As a finishing touch, use 1 as the currency symbol, so you'll know which cryptocurrency you're dealing with. And to complete this setup, add the Block Explorer URL, https://explorer.harmony.1. With these details in place, you're all set up. After you've entered all the required information, simply click Save. This action will connect your MetaMask wallet to the Harmony network, and you're now ready to explore and transact. As we move forward, let's talk about earning potential. To start earning, you can either click on the portfolio option in your wallet, or you might prefer to visit a decentralized application, commonly known as a dApp. Some popular choices include ViperSwap, LootSwap, or staking platforms like staking.harmony.1. These platforms offer various earning opportunities, such as staking or liquidity provision. Once you've chosen a platform, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet to it. This is typically straightforward. Look for a Connect Wallet button on the platform's interface. After establishing that connection, you can begin exploring activities like simulating swaps, staking, or even providing liquidity, all of which are great ways to potentially earn rewards. To keep track of how your earnings are shaping up, periodically revisit the dApp of your choice. Connect your MetaMask wallet again, and you'll be able to see your simulated rewards and the fruits of your labor. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and maximize your earnings on the Harmony network using MetaMask. Happy DeFi adventures!